Tonight, we're tracking some showers and even a few thunderstorms across the region. Some of the stronger cells now out into Clark County, moving eastward right along our cool front, which is now all the way down to our studio here in Moraine, starting to see the rain and the wind shift line come through. Still some scattered showers behind the front back to the west towards Connersville, Indiana. Again, there's our what we call a fine line moving through. A few light showers as well from Kettering, Miamisburg, extending up into Beaver Creek. That's the leading edge of that cool air. Other showers still hanging tough up north into Auglaize County, and looking back to the south and west, we're seeing some thunderstorms as well, but overnight looks like all that will be moving out here by 2, 3 in the morning. Even our counties to the south and east should be clearing out by that time. Earlier today up to 82, 55 was the low this morning with our record high 90, 30 for a record low, and tonight we're seeing that cooler air moving in now, and the temperatures drop down to 63 at Dayton International. Winds turn to the north, 17 miles an hour with a relative humidity at 81%, and our weather checker showing the same pattern here when they called in about an hour ago. Readings up north in the low 60s, Don Chateau and Sydney at 62. Cool front hadn't quite yet reached Vicky Sifke. She was at 74, but probably in the past 10 to 15 minutes that's changed big time. Greenville, Lowell Miller tonight at 65 degrees. Bob Jacoby and Piqua also looking at those readings in the 60s, but then as you work southward ahead of the front, finding readings in the 70s tonight. Jim Robbins and Beaver Creek 74 degrees. If it hasn't cooled off there yet, it will very shortly with that front moving by. And then down south of town, temperatures low 70s, Paul Gunton and Centerville, 71 degrees, Barb Shively and Union tonight looking at temperatures in the low 70s. So you can really see that cool air north of us already down to 59 at Lima, 58 degrees at Toledo with those low 60s across northern Indiana. Our cool front swinging through, as we showed you there, right on top of the Dayton area more or less, extending to the northeast with skies clearing behind it, cooler temperatures as well, and a big drop off in the humidity levels too. So we'll find readings late tonight heading down to about 50 to 55 degrees. Rain moves out tonight on Future Track, and then tomorrow looks like a beautiful day, all kinds of sunshine. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon should max out into the lower end of the 70s for us. Mid and upper 60s across our northern counties, so a little bit cooler across the northern part of Ohio as well. And then that high pressure area stays with us into at least tomorrow night, keeping us dry, but a warm front moves in, and as we head towards Friday morning, can't rule out a passing shower or thunderstorm, but a better chance of some stronger thunderstorms later in the day as that cool front arrives. And yes, that's some snow that's going to be possible over the upper Great Lakes, the western Great Lakes through parts of Minnesota and northern Wisconsin as we head towards late Friday. So a big cool down coming, and we'll see temperatures well below normal going into the weekend. Our forecast tonight, those showers and thunderstorms will come to an end, and then later tonight the clearing skies roll in as overnight low temperatures dip down to 50 degrees. Tomorrow should be a beautiful day, as I mentioned, up into the low 70s with that hour-by-hour forecast, 54 at 8 o'clock. Up near 60 at 10 a.m., mid-60s at lunchtime, upper 60s, low 70s into the afternoon, 68 for your evening activities at 7 o'clock. Then Friday, in comes the warm air once again, a quick warm-up, but also that chance for some strong thunderstorms again late day. And then over Mother's Day weekend, much cooler air arrives, 55 on Saturday, some breaks in the clouds, mix of clouds and sunshine on Saturday, but sunshine Sunday. Cold enough Sunday morning, we could be dealing with some frost, so that is going to be another concern.